Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have created a brown and orange smoky eye look. So this is a look actually going in my mind for last few days. So that's what I have created today, and it really turned out so well. I'm loving this look. So if you want to create this look, you can also create this look. So if you want to see how I have created this look, then watch this video till the end. So now I'm going to use a Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So if you're in my skin tone, in a medium skin tone, then definitely you can use this shade. And now I'm going to blend this with the help of a damp beauty sponge. So in many states, lockdown have just already started, and in Delhi lockdown is already going on. So what you all are doing in this lockdown to keep yourself busy and to make your mind a little bit in a good state? So what I do generally, I usually make content like this to keep myself busy, and at the same time I also feel very engaged, and it makes my mind very good. And sometimes I also cook food, because whenever I cook food, any new food, so that also make me involved in that, and if it becomes very good, then my tummy and my mind both feel very good. So that is the way I'm keeping myself busy. And also sometimes whenever I feel low, then at that time I see some makeup videos, because whenever I see makeup videos, that makes my mind very refreshed. My mind get diverted somehow, so that I feel started feeling good. So makeup videos, something, it's a therapeutic for me. Did you feel the same way I feel? What do you do when you feel just low? So today I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 20 Sand. So I'm going to use this concealer in my inner corner and in my outer corner, and also in the above of my eyes, and little bit in my forehead, in my upper part, and also in my nose area, in my smiling area. So I'm using this concealer to highlight my those area which will look more beautiful, like my eye area. And in eye area we always have some little bit dark circles, so to cover that, always use a concealer. It will not only cover your dark circles, it will also make your eye look very highlighted, and it will suddenly it will fresh up your eye look. So my concealer is done now, and I'm going to use a powder to bake my under eye area. At the same time, I will use that same powder in my above my eyes, so that whenever I'll do my eyeshadow, it will glide very easily, and it will also look very beautiful. If I don't use any powder, so what will happen, I cannot blend my eyeshadow, because it is a creamy texture right now it is having, so I won't be able to blend my eyeshadow. At the same time, crease will also occur in my above my eyes, which will not look good. So always try to use a powder before doing your eyeshadow. You use a Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is in the shade Dolce di Leche. So right now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So here I'm going to use this Miss Clay eyebrow kit. So this is actually a very good kit. If you're looking for a good eyebrow kit, then definitely you can invest in this one, because it gives that natural effect. At the same time, it has a good pigmentation, and it has a many shades, so definitely you will get your own shades, so it will not dishearten you. and many bloggers have also recommended this, and after that only I have purchased this one, and I'm really satisfied with this eyebrow kit. So here I'm going to take this shade. So this shade I'm going to use in my starting part of my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are not done, so now right now it is looking a little bit more thick. So I don't know when I can do my eyebrows uh, in salon, but definitely I have purchased one face shaver. With that I will just shave it a little bit so that it can look a little bit natural. And now I'm going to brush my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are done now, and now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and here I'm going to take this shade. Use this in my upper crease area. I'm just blending it from outer corner to the inner corner of my eyes. But I'm not taking full like this up to this area. I'm just blending from this to this area. And now I'm going to take this little bit dark brown shade, and I'm going to mix with this shade, and again I'm going to use it outer corner, and then I'm blending it towards the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to take this flat brush and going to use this shade. I'm going to use it in my center lid. Take this shade once again and going to use it as a liner above my eyes. And going to use this color and a little bit this color. I'm going to use it in my lower lash line area. And right now I'm going to use this Nika K birthday eyeshadow palette. So this is actually a very good palette. One, it is an affordable one. So and if you check in Nykaa, they always give a good discount on this. So I have purchased this on 300 bucks, and the pigmentation is also very good according to this price. So definitely check this one. You will love the colors. They have a variety of colors also. So here I'm going to take this orange shade. And now I'm going to use this above my eye. I'm going to make it all together. And now I'm going to use the Sugar Contour palette, and here I'm going to take this shimmer shade. I'm going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. So my eye look is done now. Now I'm going to brush my under eye area where I have done my baking. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Nika Glamour Eye Pencil in the shade Moonchild. So my eye look is done right now. So you can see the eye look. Here I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to take this brown shade. So contouring is done now, and now I'm going to wear a blush. I'm going to use this Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush, and this is in the shade Sweet Scarlet. NYX setting spray. So this is actually a very good spray. It gives that matte finish. At the same time, so your makeup will also look very glossy and very beautiful. And here I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender, and where the foundation I have used, I'm going to use that part, and I'm going to pat it all over so that it should look compact and beautiful. See how it is looking so all together. Today I'm going to use this Sugar contour palette, and here I'm going to use this highlighter. So this highlighter is so good. It is like a little bit in silvery shade, it will go in with your most of your makeup. So if you're looking for a good highlighter or a good blush, then definitely you can use this palette. So I'm going to use this highlighter above my cheekbones area and just this part. I'm going to use this highlighter, so a little bit here, and the same way I'm going to use this highlighter above my cheekbones area and a little bit here. Bit in my eyebrow bone area, and also in the center of my nose, and in my above lips. So today I'm going to use this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. So this is the shade Nude Nuance. So this is also a brown nude color, but absolutely it's a very good color. I have used it so many times here that it is already hitting the pan. It's a good lipstick for all Indian skin tone girls. Definitely if you're looking for a good nude color, you can have this one. Going to mix another shade, and this is from Maybelline Color Show Range, and this is the shade Choco Latte. So I'm going to use this above this. So my lipstick is done now, and now I'm going to complete my full look, and then I'm going to show you my final look. Hope you have enjoyed this video and you have loved this look. If you do, then give a big thumbs up and also let me know what type of video you want from me. Then definitely I will create that type of content for you. Until then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.